Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So I am having some voice issues. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for the last couple of months, I've been dealing with laryngitis ever since I was sick a couple of months ago. Some days are better than others, and today my voice just does not want to cooperate. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video out for you guys. It is a swipe and spin, and I am loving this, you guys. I actually named it Ariel because it just reminds me of The Little Mermaid. The formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box. And I am still working on the online course for this technique. I should have a release date for you guys very soon. I also have my other course on my website, the Transparent Dutch Pour course. If you guys are interested in that, you can check it out at crystalcoastoriginals.com. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.